This is my setup. I'll give you a quick little breakdown of my PC. I got the X470 Aorus Gaming 7 Wi-Fi motherboard with a 2700 CPU under this cooler. I have 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance RAM. I have two NVMe SSDs. That one on there is just an extra drive. Didn't have enough storage for the operating system and everything else that I needed, so I ended up buying an extra. That one's sitting underneath the graphics card. Got a GTX 1080 graphics card, and I have one more drive up there. It's a 1 terabyte storage hard disk drive. And then I have my fans set up for positive pressure airflow. I have those 3 intakes at the bottom and then 2 exhaust fans. Down the line I'm going to be upgrading the CPU cooler for a water-cooled one, so I can get a better overclock. This air cooler isn't quite enough for the 2700, so I need to upgrade that.
Today I'm going to tell you which type of Microsoft computer I'm using. The one I'm using is Dell Windows 10 and laptop G7. And as you can see right here, I have the SD card slot, USB Type B slot, which does have the flash drive in it. There's also a RJ45 cable slot in case I want to have some backup internet. And there's also a charger port in case I need to charge my laptop, which I always do it at all times. And as you can see, there's another one right there, which is the SP slot. And the one right here happens to be the HDMI slot, USB Type-C slot, and the other one is also a USB Type-B, which does have the wireless mouse connector, and there's also headphones in it just in case you want to listen to music or anything. And it does have a cooling system just to make sure this laptop here is cooled down and doesn't get overheated. You can also use this laptop just to connect to any type of internet, and you can also use it for Xbox games. You can also use it for Xbox games just to play some video games, but usually I would just connect it with my own type of Xbox console. Anyway, that's all I have to show you, and thanks again. Bye.
The ports that come in this laptop are 3 USB 3.1 ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, your LAN port, an HDMI. This is the power source for your battery. You have an HDMI port, mini display port, USB Type-C, and also a Kensington lock. Thanks to the NVMe SSD on this computer, boot time is just around 10 seconds, and opening applications or files is incredibly fast. This laptop comes equipped with an Intel i7-9750H, GTX 1660 Ti, mobile GPU, 16 gigs of DDR4, 2666 MHz RAM, and also a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. And that's packed into a 17.3-inch 144Hz platform. That was a mini rundown on my laptop. Thanks for watching.
Hello, this is Vicente Oliver from Mr. Lopez Class Network Support Services. This is a small review about my gaming PC that I built back in 2017. This is a micro ATX build, micro ATX computer. This case is Corsair Carbide 100R Here in this computer has a USB 3.0. This is the audio jacks, the power button, and the CD drive. Here in the back side, as you can see, it has a PS2 port, has the PS2 port, VGA, DVI, HDMI, USB 3.0, and I use a Wi-Fi adapter for the internet connections. Here in the bottom is the ports for the video card, for the graphics card, and here's the inside of the computer. It's a little bit mess, but the processor is a G4560. It's 2-core processor with 3.5 GHz. That RAM in the bottom, it's a Corsair Vengeance, 8 GB RAM, and a EVGA 500 watts power supply, and a Western Digital 1 TB hard drive, which is perfect for gaming, working, and many other things like photo and video editing. Here in this side, I have my keyboard, my gaming keyboard, my gaming mouse, and my HP 24-inch monitor. Is excellent for things like gaming or video, etc. And that's it. And
These are the
thanks
two
for watching.
computers I used for school. This one is used for conference calls without the camera. This one is used for virtual machines because it has a virtual box. This computer with the camera is interesting because it has 2 exhaust fan ports. This one's at the side that the fan blows out directly, and one in the back that's used normally.